Hello people. So you guys know that I've come back from, I had been to a ride to Gujarat. It was like around 1700-1800 kilometers from here, from Pune. The place was Palitana. You must have seen the previous parts. So I felt like adding one more part or one more video and showing a small advantage of the KTM handguards that I had installed on the bike. Now you can see the condition of the bike. It is how dirty it is. Okay. It has got the small mosquitoes and insects all over it, everywhere. I'll put some pics of my helmet too, the visor completely being filled up. So this is what the condition is. And one good advantage of the handguards of KTM that I've put, I see, is that all the insects got stuck, or they hit the handguard, and none of the parts behind were affected where your hand is. So the advantage of this being, your gloves don't get filled up with all this insects and mud, or mainly the insects, not mud, mainly the insects. So I thought I'll add this as a small video and people can take advantage of the installation. These hardly cost 1200 a set. I'll leave a link to the installation and where did I purchase these from in Pune. So if you found this video helpful, this point helpful, please do hit the like button. Please do share it ahead with your friends and groups, your riding groups. If you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe, and again, if you have any questions, please do add them in the comment section and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Thank you for watching. This is The Pain from Pune.